Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute little baby dress. So let's get started.
Please share the links to my videos on your social media sites and please subscribe.
I'm working with Red Heart Ombre. Really love this yarn. It's very soft and it's very cotton-like. It doesn't feel like acrylic at all. And this color is so pretty, and it's called Scuba. And I'm going to start with chain 20, and I'm making newborn to 3 months. In the second stitch from the hook, single crochet, double crochet in the next stitch. To make a single crochet, insert the hook through the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn and pull it through 2. To make a double crochet, yarn over the hook first, then insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So I'm going to work across the row, making a single crochet and then a double crochet, and that is called the pebble stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and work across the row. Okay, I worked across the row and I ended with a double crochet. So I'm going to turn my work. I'm going to start with a single crochet because the pebble stitch is worked by working the opposite stitch in the stitch of the previous row. So this was a double crochet, and now I'm going to make a single crochet. And so this was a single crochet, so it's going to be a double crochet. And so that's single crochet, double crochet, and we're going to work across the row doing that, alternating single crochet and double crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and work across the row. Okay, I worked across the row, and again I ended with a double crochet, so I'm going to turn my work, I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet in that first stitch, double crochet in the next, single crochet, double, single. So I'm going to work across the row, and then I'm going to work until I have approximately 4 inches. Okay, I've worked a number of rows, and this will be the bodice. So now I'm going to start the skirt section. I'm going to slip stitch in that first stitch, and I'm going to chain 3, and I'm going to double crochet in the same stitch. Now that's going to take the place of the first V-stitch. The chain 3 takes the place of a double crochet and a chain 1 space, and then the other double crochet is the other side of the V-stitch. Now in each one of these stitches across the row, I am going to make a V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So all the way across the row, in each stitch, a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and I made a V-stitch in each stitch across the row. I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to slip stitch into that very first V-stitch. So in here, I'm going to slip stitch, and then I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, takes the place of the first double crochet and a chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch. Working in the chain 1 space, I'm going to make a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So in the chain 1 space of each V-stitch, make a V-stitch. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work this row, and I'm also going to work a number of rows for the skirt, and then I'll come back and show you how to do the bottom shell and the straps. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked 11 rows of making a V-stitch in a V-stitch. And you're going to make 2 of these, and then you're going to attach them together down the side. Don't attach them here. Just start here and sew down the 2 sides. And after you have your 2 sides sewn together, then you can work the bottom shell. So to work the bottom shell, attach the yarn in any one of these V-stitches, and then chain 2 and make 2 double crochet in that same V-stitch, and then single crochet in the space between the V-stitches. So there's one V-stitch, there's the other V-stitch, here's the space in between, single crochet in between. So go to the next chain 1 space of the V-stitch, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and then single crochet in the space between the V-stitches. Like that. You can work all the way around the bottom of the skirt. Okay, so when you have worked all the way around doing this shell on the bottom, then you will go ahead and add the straps, and I'm going to start working on each side. I'm going to work in, and I'm going to make the straps long enough that they will wrap over the shoulder and attach to the back of the dress. To make the strap, I've attached my yarn at the side of the top of the bodice, and I've chained 1, and I'm going to single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Like that, 5 stitches. And I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and I'm going to single crochet in each one of those stitches for the strap. And then I'm going to continue to do that until the straps are about 2.5 to 3 inches long. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked the strap, and I've made it approximately 3 inches long. And now you can wrap this over to the back, and you can either slip stitch to join or fasten off and sew it on the darning needle. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work the other strap, and then I'll come back and show you the finished dress. And here's the finished dress. I have both of my straps finished and attached. And so now you could leave it just like this, or you can attach a bow or maybe even a crocheted flower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.